So the next move is we measure from our very back building line to our very front building line, and we make sure that measurement's right and the other measurement's right. And if they're not right, we adjust them so that our parallels are exactly spot on. From there, we utilize the boundary line that we know is our datum, and we move from there and we check our corner for square here. So then what we've done is we've done our bottom of our box, and now we're doing the lid of our box and making sure we got that whole square parallel and square so it all fits together, and then the box and its joints are absolutely spot on. So we just get the end of the rope twisted around our finger, 1, 2, 3, hook it over our mark, pull the string tight with one hand, take the slack up with the other. Then we pull the string tight on itself, come under the string line, over the marker, over, under the string line, over the marker, and what that does is it ensures that the string line is over the centre of our mark.